The ugly girl. Everyone in this world has something beautiful, but me, from the day I was born, all I've had is ugliness. I am Olivia Harper. I am 14 years old. I live in Los Angeles. I am still studying. The thing I hate most in life is going to school. There is a big reason for that. I am not a pretty girl. To be honest, I am ugly. All the children in my school say that I am ugly. So I have no friends at school. I am always alone. Since I am ugly, everyone avoided me. I am very big. Everyone in my family is quite large. So I am too. And my face is covered in pimples. That makes me even uglier. The children in my school used to tease me a lot by calling me the big ugly girl. That's why I hated going to school. One day a new teacher came to our school. Her name was Sophia. Miss Sophia was a very kind person. Olivia, you are a very beautiful girl, but your beauty is hidden because of your size. She said that when she saw me. Try to lose weight. If you try, nothing in this world is impossible. Miss Sophia's words gave me a new hope. Everyone else just teased me for being ugly, but no one ever told me to try to change. So I decided that I wanted to lose weight. Then maybe no one would ever make fun of me again. Our school gave us a 1 month break. I spent that whole month exercising and controlling my diet. I used to eat a lot of junk food and oily food. But I gave all that up and started eating healthy. It was really hard for me. On some days, I even thought about giving up. I saw people laughing at me while I was exercising. That really hurt me emotionally, but I kept strengthening my mind again and again. As I slowly started losing weight, I felt an incredible happiness. Even the pimples on my face started to disappear. Honestly, I felt like I was reborn. I could wear beautiful clothes that I never could before. When I stood in front of the mirror, I finally saw a beautiful version of myself. After school started again, I went back. All the children just stared at me in shock. No one teased me for being big anymore. Now I am the most beautiful girl in our class. So if you have effort and dedication, there's nothing you can't achieve in this world. Don't give up until your dream becomes a reality.